Flashing.
What's up?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you get the leaves while you're there as well?
Yeah, please, if you don't mind. See if you can fly it up a little bit so you can get it.
I think we'll move now.
Mike, let's jump in the pool.
Oh, for God's sakes, man.
Thomas.
Yeah?
Thomas, pick Roland up so we can see what's going on.
Why do you like swoop it from the front and drag it to the side?
I can't see. Oh, I can't see.
See, Roland? Look.
I can't see.
Lindsay,
Mike,
pick Lexi up.
You are the biggest moron, Michael, I swear to
Not
God.
the pull button.
It was me flying.
Can't get it.
No.
Jump in.
Might have to,
I've got plenty of towels in there.
Lexi, don't jump in that pool.
Oh,
At least it's waterproof.
yes.
Is it? In the water.
No. Fly it up to us,
Just give up. Leave.
It's not that deep.
It's underwater and it's still flashing.
Please tell me you recorded
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. Well, you might as well go in now, Robert.
A little bit deeper than you thought, huh?
Yeah, that's it.
It's still flashing.
Head first to the cane.
Can you hold on to the wrap?
I can't even see if I'm touching it.
Nowhere near it. I can't believe it's still on.
Anywhere close.
No.
Fucking hell. Oh no! You'll have to fail.
Lindsay, just strip down. You're naked, man. Look out.
Oh, it's not flashing.
Oh, no.
It's not flashing.
We can bring this thing back.
Can't somebody jump in the pool?
Come on, go here then.
Get someone else to hold your hand.
Oh, there we go.
See, that's how the cobra.
Hey!
Oh dear. It just needs a charge, man. It's good. It's so good. Hey,
Oh,
just let it dry out. Roll.
Might have an air compressor.
Yes. No, I wouldn't blow it.
Can somebody jump in the pool?
No, Russell, you're the electronics expert. Yeah, you need to go and flush it. Just tap water.
When I turn the compressor on, it blows.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. No, you don't want it dry. You don't.
Thank you very much.
Oh.
I have to see it, show me. It's an Aqua Helicopter, don't worry.
Boring stuff.